Welcome back to our channel. Today we're about to embark on a fascinating journey that has the power to transform your financial future. So, sit back and relax because in the next few minutes, we're going to delve deep into the exciting world of wealth creation during times of economic uncertainty. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This way, you'll be the first to know when we release new, insightful content. So let's get started. New opportunities. A decade from now, a new wave of millionaires will have emerged from the midst of economic unpredictability and turbulence. But here's the intriguing part. Throughout history, more millionaires have emerged during recessions and market crashes than at any other time. It's an era of opportunity, and it's unfolding right before our eyes. Imagine you're in one of three roles. Will you be on the sidelines, watching passively as others seize opportunities? Or will you be an observer, recognizing the wealth being created but never taking action? The third option is the one we're exploring today, becoming someone who harnesses the chaos to build wealth. The opportunity is right here, around us, and it's approaching swiftly. The question is, which path will you choose? To be part of the group that prospers, you'll need two key ingredients: the right financial knowledge and readiness to act when opportunities arise. Asset versus liability. Think of your financial choices as falling into two categories: assets and liabilities. Assets are your financial champions, carefully selected investments designed to grow your money. They act as your financial builders, steadily increasing your wealth. On the flip side, there are liabilities, which work quite differently. Although they may give the appearance of boosting your financial status, they often don't significantly improve your overall financial health. Assets are like your income generators, putting money into your wallet, while liabilities tend to drain it. While assets work silently to increase your wealth, they might not make you appear affluent right away. On the other hand, liabilities, such as luxury purchases, might create the illusion of wealth but can leave you stuck in a cycle of financial strain. The key lesson here? Prioritize assets over liabilities on your financial path. It's about making choices that may not make you look rich immediately but will undoubtedly lead you toward genuine financial success. Remember, there's nothing inherently wrong with enjoying the finer things in life, but it's vital to ensure that your financial foundation is solid first. It's not about giving up the things you love but about making sure you can truly afford them. Economic environment. Now that we've grasped the importance of assets and liabilities, let's navigate the intricate waters of our current economic landscape. We find ourselves in a world where change is constant, and economic uncertainty prevails. We witness market turbulence, job insecurities, and a general sense of anxiety associated with economic downturns. When many hear the word recession, they immediately envision chaos and financial despair. It's a term that evokes fear and stress for the majority. Yet, it's precisely in times like these that opportunities often lie hidden, waiting to be uncovered. For those with a different outlook, the word recession doesn't just trigger anxiety, it sparks curiosity. They understand that during downturns, assets can become undervalued, prices can plummet, and opportunities can emerge. It's a bit like treasure hunting in a stormy sea. However, it's important to emphasize that seizing these opportunities isn't about reckless abandon. It's about strategic thinking, financial education, and preparedness. It's about recognizing that while downturns can sink some ships, they can also reveal sunken treasures. So, how do you position yourself to be on the right side of this equation? That's precisely what we'll explore in the moments to come. Buying assets at a discount. In our dynamic financial world, assets' prices are in constant flux. During economic uncertainty, even exceptional assets can go on sale. The twist is that these assets can appreciate significantly in value over time. But seizing these opportunities requires a keen eye, a solid financial education, and readiness to act when the right moment arises. It's about identifying quality investments that are temporarily undervalued. So, while others chase fashion deals, You could be strategically acquiring assets that have the potential to grow your wealth. Financial education is your compass in this world, helping you recognize and make informed decisions. Now that we've set the stage, let's continue our exploration into the world of financial wisdom. If you find this information valuable, consider giving us a like and sharing it with others who can benefit. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel to stay informed and empowered on your financial journey. Preparation. First, focus on working diligently and increasing your income. During periods of stability, put in the effort to earn more. This creates a financial margin, a buffer that can make all the difference when opportunities arise. But remember, it's not just about making more money, it's also about being smart with your spending. Cut out unnecessary expenses and prioritize investments over liabilities. This margin you create isn't just a safety net, it's your way to take advantage of opportunities when they show up. It's important to note that trying to perfectly time the market isn't the goal here. Markets are unpredictable and influenced by countless factors. What's more important is to be prepared to identify the right investments and act when they're undervalued, rather than trying to predict the market's every move. So, as you continue your financial journey, remember that preparation is your to success. It's what separates those who merely watch from those who actively participate and prosper. Conclusion. In this rapidly changing world, where economic circumstances shift swiftly, you have a choice: to be a passive observer, a bystander in your financial journey, or an active participant who seizes opportunities as they arise. Remember, the future belongs to those who adapt and evolve, those who recognize that challenges are often the birthplace of opportunities. The opportunity is here, all around us. Your path to financial prosperity begins with two key ingredients: the right financial knowledge and readiness to act. So, as you contemplate the choices ahead, remember that financial success isn't about timing the market perfectly. It's about being educated, prepared, and ready to make informed decisions when the right moment arises. Before we conclude, if you found value in our discussion today, consider sharing this video with others who might benefit from this perspective. And, of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel to stay informed and empowered on your financial journey. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep seizing those opportunities.